Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth unpair setting in a Samsung phone. Means guys you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth speaker guys which your speaker guys you have connected means and guys you have paired, but guys you want to unpair. So guys how can you unpair it? In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting. Guys you can see this type of setting. Guys click on your connection settings. Guys click on your Bluetooth setting, then as you can see guys we have pair means connected this speaker, and guys we want to unpair. So guys how to unpair guys, you can see the setting option, tap here, and as you can see unpair, disconnect and rename. So friends you want to rename guys your speaker name, so guys you can rename from here. I will not rename. Then guys you can see unpair, so you can unpair from here. So guys your speaker will unpair and guys we will off it. Then guys we cannot use our speaker, and you want to pair, so you guys you want to use, so you will have to pair again. So we will not pair, we don't want to use it. So like that guys you can unpair your Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye.